One of Tokyo's oldest temples hides a secret that thousands of people walk past every day without even knowing it. Stick around as we explore shrine, samurai history, and reveal the hidden story in Asakusa. Hello, my name is Alfredo, and we are going off the strip to Tokyo, Japan. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. So we have arrived at the Meiji Shrine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but here we are. Come on, we're in the middle of the city, but look, it's like a forest. Check out this beautiful, beautiful gate. Amazing. Along the way, you'll pass two amazing sights. Colorful sake barrels stacked high like artwork, and a massive wine cask from France. The sake is an offering to the gods honoring Japanese traditions, and the wine a gift from France symbolizing friendship between two powerful cultures. So we are about to go to the main temple, or the main shrine actually. And this is the main entrance to the main shrine. It says, please purify yourself by water before going into the main sanctuary. Wash hands, pour water in both hands, rinse your mouth and your hands again. Kind of gross. Welcome to Meiji Shrine, one of the most sacred and peaceful places in all of Tokyo. This Shinto shrine was built in 1920 to honor Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, the royal couple who helped lead Japan into the modern era. As you explore, you'll walk through the towering gates, past ancient rituals, and breathe in cedar-scented air. And the forest around it? It's not natural. Over 100,000 trees were donated from every corner of Japan, creating a quiet escape right in the middle of Japan's busiest city. It's peaceful, it's powerful, and it's pure Tokyo magic. These aren't just plants, they are bonsai trees, each one carefully shaped over decades. Some are over 600 years old, living art passed down through generations. Just imagine the history they've seen. This bonsai is 600 years old. Okay, so we're in a Japanese garden right now. We are going to see the irises. Apparently they're in full bloom right now. These irises are beautiful. They almost look like water lilies, but apparently they're irises. Hidden inside Meiji Shrine is a peaceful garden planted for the Empress. Every June, the irises are in bloom, so we came at the right time. We are now about to walk in and explore the Imperial Palace. We've arrived at Tokyo's Imperial Palace, the official residence of Japan's emperor, built on the site of an old samurai castle surrounded by moats and stone walls. Visitors can freely explore the peaceful outer gardens, but if you want to go inside the inner grounds, you'll need to reserve tickets online. On this trip, we missed out. They were already sold out. So if you're planning a visit, make sure you book well in advance. We are just walking into the Imperial Palace. Let me tell ya, it's pretty impressive, and we're just like at the very front, the very beginning of it. I don't even know which way to go, to be honest with you.
So let's say I choose immortality.
Do you hear those fucking nerds? We are in the East Gardens of the Imperial Palace, a peaceful mix of open lawns, stone paths, and centuries-old castle ruins. This area was once part of the inner defenses of the Edo Castle, where elite samurai warriors protected Japan's shogun. Today, it's open to the public, offering quiet trails, koi ponds, and views of the original stone foundations. It's like walking through living history in the middle of modern Tokyo. This is a restored guardhouse once used by samurai warriors who protected Edo Castle. Fujimi means Mount Fuji viewing, and it was said that you could see Mount Fuji from here on a clear day. It's one of the few remaining structures from the original castle era, giving a rare glimpse of Japan's military past. Next stop, Tokyo's Fish Market.
So we are now at the famous fish market here in Tokyo. You can see everyone's just eating and they're all just standing on food stalls. It's wild.
Welcome to Tokyo's most exciting street food spots and a must-visit for seafood lovers. While the famous tuna auctions moved to Toyosu, this market still buzzes with energy, packed with stalls serving up the freshest bites in the city. You'll find everything from melt-in-your-mouth Toro sushi to grilled Hokkaido scallops, uni toast, and even Wagyu skewers. The smells, the sizzling sounds, the crowds, it's a feast for all your senses and one of the best places to taste Tokyo like a local.
This place is crazy cool. The king crab is so sweet. I just had a huge meal. I couldn't even finish it. Oh my goodness, there was a lot of food. But anyways, I'm gonna try and find those strawberries though. Okay, so we're finally gonna try the Japanese strawberries. Wow, it's good. It is good. The hype is real. The Japanese strawberries are good. Here we are at Asakusa. Gonna explore.
We are now at Asakusa, home of Sensō-ji, Tokyo's oldest and most iconic temple. At the entrance stands the famous Kaminarimon, don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, or Thunder Gate. With its massive red lanterns weighing over 1,000 pounds, the lantern symbolizes protection from storms and evil spirits, and passing beneath it said to bring good luck and a good journey ahead. Once you pass through the Thunder Gate, the temple grounds open up into a stunning blend of tradition and spirituality. Sensō-ji was founded in the year 645, making it the oldest temple in Tokyo. You'll see people wafting incense smoke over themselves for good health and some drawing omikuji, paper fortunes that can bring luck or warnings. The atmosphere here is electric yet deeply spiritual.
Check this out. It is a beautiful place. In the middle of the city, we've got this beautiful temple.
Once inside the main hall, visitors line up to offer coins, bow, clap their hands twice, and say a silent prayer. The temple is dedicated to Kannon, the goddess of mercy, and people come here to ask for blessings, protection, and good fortune. The scent of incense fills the air, and soft chanting echoes in the background. It's a peaceful, spiritual space that invites reflection, even in the middle of the bustling Tokyo city. Whether you're religious or just curious, it's a moment to experience when you're in Tokyo.
It's kind of cool. People throw coins in and I guess say a prayer. Don't know what, but I just did what everyone else was doing. So there you go.
Before leaving Asakusa, don't miss Nakamise Street, a colorful stretch of shops filled with local snacks, handmade souvenirs, and traditional crafts. It's the perfect place to grab a gift or soak in the charm of old Tokyo one last time.
This is their anime village. It's kind of like just all anime stores. So if you're into anime, you're gonna be in heaven. So apparently this is like a famous One Piece character. Just a bunch of video games. Honestly, I don't get the anime culture, but you know what? It's popular. Good for them.
Anime is Japan's world-famous style of animation, known for its bold art, epic stories, and emotional depth. It covers everything from action and romance to fantasy and sci-fi. What started as Japanese TV shows and comics has exploded into a global pop culture phenomenon, with millions of fans around the world.
That was crazy. Look at all these people waiting to cross again. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian scramble, where up to 2,000 people cross from all directions at once every few minutes. It's controlled chaos, and people flock here because of the electric atmosphere, giant video screens, and the perfect Instagram moment. You've probably seen it in movies like Lost in Translation or Tokyo Drift, as well as countless music videos and travel shows. It's more than just a crosswalk, it's a symbol of Tokyo's non-stop energy. Right next to the Shibuya Crossing is the Hachikō statue, one of Tokyo's most beloved landmarks. Hachikō was a loyal dog who waited at this very station for his owner, even 9 years after the owner passed away. Today, the statue honors his loyalty and has become a popular meeting spot and a symbol for unconditional love. Well, obviously, I had to get a Starbucks mug for my international collection. And what better Starbucks to get it from the Starbucks that overlooks the Shibuya Crossing. After wandering around Shibuya a bit more, we found dinner at a cozy little basement restaurant and ended the night inside Don Quijote, one of Japan's most chaotic and exciting discount stores. I mean, this place has everything, from quirky souvenirs to beauty products, electronic snacks, and even full costumes. I found a bunch of wild Kit Kat flavors like taro, wasabi, and matcha green tea Kit Kats. It's kind of a store where you go in for one thing but come out an hour later with a bag full of surprises.
So the Don Quijote store is fucking crazy. It's so crowded, it's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, it's like 99-cent store, but it's like a bunch of
Getting hypnotized.
craziness. Oh my god, and this area is like contact lenses. What?
We wrapped up the night with an Uber back to the hotel because tomorrow we're heading to Mount Fuji for a day of incredible views and fresh mountain air. If you've enjoyed this Tokyo adventure, hit that like button and subscribe and drop a comment. What kind of flavor Kit Kat would you like to try? I'd love to hear it.